So check this out, ULANZI accidentally made a macro lens for the GoPro Hero 9, which allows you to get some amazing up-close shots like you can never get before on the GoPro. So yeah, I was pretty excited about this and I just dropped everything and I was like, I gotta tell my YouTube people! Because, you know, most of my top videos are GoPro related.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
So here's the story. I actually got a wide-angle lens from ULANZI for the Sony ZV-1, and then I had a thought. Maybe this would work on the GoPro. And then I had another thought. Didn't ULANZI create a GoPro cage that had a screw thread on it? Could it be possible that it fits? It does. And you already knew that because you clicked on the video. But now you get a nice wide-angle lens for the GoPro. Just kidding, that's not what this is for. Although I did do some testing with this, and when you turn on the Max Lens Mod mode, it actually keeps the footage very stable. But the main thing I love about this lens from ULANZI is it doubles as a macro lens. And look, you can get some really up-close shots on objects like you could never get without it. This is the GoPro on its own, and this is with the macro lens. This is with the GoPro by itself, and this is with the macro lens. And the case that I'm talking about actually is a perfect one that houses the 3.5mm adapter so you can hook on a microphone or other accessories. And I'll put links to everything I'm talking about in the description, so if you want to check down there, you will find it easily. But hey, ULANZI, while you're at it, if you can accidentally create some other lenses for the GoPro, you know, maybe like a telephoto one or one that has a variable zoom on it or manual focus. I don't know, maybe it's just wishful thinking. But hey, thanks for watching this quick little video. I just really wanted to get this one out for you guys. And if you find any cool GoPro related products or accessories, I would love to hear about them. So let me know in the comments and I'll check them out. I'm always looking for more GoPro related gear to review. And also if you can come over and support my podcast, it's called Tech is Hard, it's a weekly podcast. And also I have memberships open if you want exclusive behind the scenes, live streams, all that good stuff. We're having a lot of fun there. I'll put another video up here if you want to watch another thing. All right, gotta go. Tons of videos to make and I'll catch you on the next one.